What is up, everybody? My name's Clay Frost. Welcome back to our 10-part series. Today we're going over number 6 of the biggest ways that you waste your time. And time waster number 6 is not living your life. It's so big. So many people live their lives for other people. I have a little brother who's in med school right now, or pre-med right now, going into med school, and he talks about how so many of his peers, colleagues, students that he works with, they are there only because their parents want them to be. That their parents say, we won't pay for college unless you do what we want you to do. So they kind of feel stuck. They're not living their life. They're living what other people want. They might even want to go to med school, but they don't want to do it like that. And so I'm going to give 2 reasons why this is a big waste of time, 2 things to remember about life in general, and then 2 strategies that you can think of and use to start living your life. So first thing that we need to know why it's a big mistake is because our passion is super low and our excitement goes down too. If we don't live our life, we live for someone else. Even if we're doing what we want to do, but we're just on other people's terms, our passion and excitement goes down. And that is just, it's not fun. No one enjoys that. And that's actually part of the second point, is that life is just too short to not enjoy. When we live life for someone else, we're not living our life, our enjoyment goes down. Now, 2 things to remember about life is that it's tough. Like, it's really tough. And you need to be as well. So just remember that. If things aren't going well, that doesn't mean you're not living your life. Sometimes you just need to be gritty, be tough, work through things, and we can still be living our life. Living our life doesn't mean everything is super fluffy and easy and we just go with the flow. It means that we go after what we want. And number 2 thing to remember about life is that anything worth having is going to require a massive amount of effort. Okay? Again, anything that you want to build, anything you want to develop or have in life, sometimes it's going to be really difficult. So that requires massive effort. And don't forget that. That's really important as well. Now, 2 strategies that you can implement. The first one is 20 seconds of insane courage. Sometimes it takes to live your life just to have guts, just to talk to the person you need to talk to, tell them how you feel about what's going on, tell your parents, tell that girl, tell that boy, whatever it is, be courageous, because everything that we want tends to be on this other side of fear. We have to be here, overcome fear, and it requires courage. So live your life by being courageous. 20 seconds of insane courage. Just try it. You can suck anything up for 20 seconds, okay? And the last one is to be a life scientist. And I always talk to athletes about being an athletic scientist. The reason why I say this is because we have to try new things and figure out what we like. We have to troubleshoot. We have to make a hypothesis, ask questions, and kind of figure out, gather data, write journals, write down how your day goes, and you can figure out why it goes well some days and why it goes bad the other days, and then you can figure it out. Be a scientist. Don't be afraid of failure. Be a scientist, ask questions, do the experiment, figure out, gather the data, and then make a conclusion. Was that worth it? Was that successful? Was it a failure? And then go from there. So be a life scientist. Today we talked about the 6th biggest time waster, and that is not living your life. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video.